A lot of folks are interested in AI governance, and perhaps it's a field that they see themselves working in, or they're interested in pursuing such a career. The problem is that these folks often also think that in order to get into AI, that it requires a background in software engineering or understanding a gazillion programming languages. This thankfully is a myth. So you don't need to be a coder to work in AI governance. You don't need Python. What you do need are the 4 C's. My name's Dr. Kyle David. I've trained thousands of students across the world, helping them to prepare for their privacy and AI certification exams, such as those proctored by the IAPP and ISACA. If you're interested in getting more quick explainers like this, be sure to follow me for more. So I recently hosted a webinar that's available on my YouTube channel titled Breaking into AI Governance. And the objective of this webinar was to bring together a panel of experts and have them share with the audience their tips for getting into this field of AI governance. And on the panel, we had one individual who very thoughtfully put forward this framework of the 4 C's. The idea here is that you didn't need a programming language or a background in sophisticated mathematics. You instead just needed what she called the 4 C's. So the first C is curiosity. You have to be a person that is willing to ask dumb questions, for example. And in AI governance, if you don't understand how a model works or how a system is put together, perhaps you don't know the entire AI development lifecycle end to end, it's important that you ask questions, that you're not afraid of maybe looking a little silly. The idea here is that you can't govern what you're afraid to question. The second C is communication. And when you think about the role of an AI governance professional, you are really the hub amongst a number of different spokes. Another way to think of that is that you are the bridge. It is your job as the AI governance professional to translate complex technical risks to the C-suite and to other stakeholders within your organization. And so it's important that you can speak both languages, and if you have those skills, then you are really indispensable. The third C is community. It's important to remember that AI governance is a brand new field. This is something that right now, at most, is only 2 to 3 years old. Understanding that, it's important to know that we are all learning. Even the folks that have been doing this from the very beginning, or people with backgrounds in AI engineering and data science. There's no textbook on AI governance just yet, and so it's important that you are willing to lean on your network, learn from others. And again, it's important because nobody right now knows everything. The final and probably most important C is courage. We as AI governance professionals are building the plane as we fly it. We must be willing to fail fast and therefore learn fast. It's important that you're comfortable with being uncomfortable. So I thought the 4 C's was really very brilliant. It's important to know that you don't need a background in coding and AI engineering. And if you want to pick up those skills, fantastic. But as an AI governance professional, you're responsible for high-level, big-picture risk management. The question you have to ask yourself then is, do you have the courage to jump into a field where the rules aren't quite written yet? If you have any questions about governing AI, feel free to reach out or drop a comment below.